Hi, thanks for watching this video series. This is a collection of videos showcasing how I made this workshop. This is not a how to build anything, but rather how I built this particular workshop. I'm not a professional, I made a lot of mistakes, and I didn't do everything as safely as I probably should have. If you're looking to do something like this yourself, I encourage you to try it, but please only do so at your own risk. If you like this video, please take a look at all the videos I have for this project. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. It has been many months, and my workshop is finally done. Well, it's as done as I'm gonna get it. So I guess the next step really is to start loading everything in. This is just a short little montage of me moving everything into the workshop with the help of my kids. Really couldn't have done this work, the whole thing, without the help of my family. Um, I didn't capture a lot of that on camera, but really, I had my kids helping with a lot of things, and really couldn't have done it without them and without the support of my wife. So, it's well, anytime you take on a project this big and you do it, at home, you really need the support of your family, which I totally did. I'm sure you're wondering about the elephant in the room. How much did this cost me, and how much did I really save? So when I total everything together, and I mean everything, this cost a little bit over $10,000 to build this workshop. Most of that was in concrete pouring, actually paying for the concrete itself, and actually, believe it or not, equipment rentals. So renting some of those larger pieces of equipment cost uh, a fair chunk of what there were a good chunk of what the total overall cost was. The block itself wasn't too terribly expensive. The wood was actually much more expensive. I did do my best to try to find as many coupons for Home Depot and everything else as I could find. And there are some out there if you look for them. And I did try to find as many tools that I could borrow or that I already had that I could use. So about a little bit over $10,000 for the whole thing. How much would this have cost if I paid someone else to build this workshop? Well, the lower end estimates that I had really started about 25 grand. And they just went up and up and up from there. To be honest with you, that low end one, I didn't really trust the person who was giving me that estimate. I don't think they were going to come through with that full amount or with the completed workshop for that amount. So honestly, it probably have cost about 3 times as much at least to have someone else do this. And I got this done on my time, and I got it done the way that I wanted it done. So that's what it really came down to. That and having the satisfaction of being able to say I did it myself. So it took a long time, all the way from digging and setting, pouring foundation, footers, pouring the slab, building the walls, building the roof system, putting a roof in place, painting everything, doors, electric, even the Cat 5 for network connections. It took me a little bit less than a year to get this project done. But now I've got a nice big workshop to work in. Obviously, I moved everything in, filled it up with a bunch of stuff, a bunch of projects to work on. Now I have somewhere to work, hopefully year round, not have to worry about the weather. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you watched the whole series, thank you very much. If you haven't, take a look at some of the other videos. These videos aren't how to make a workshop, they're just how I did it. So, you know, not all this is right, not all this is the way that you should be doing it. It's just the way that I did it, and it seems to have worked for me. So please like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you think. Hopefully I'll get some more projects out there soon. Get one of these cars. I'm thinking that 39 in the back is going to be the next project that I start working on. Thanks again for watching.